Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when one earbud isn't working on your BELKIN SoundForm ClearFit. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case and now close the case. Because firstly we need to perform a soft reset. It's the quickest way and maybe this one is fix this problem. So now your earbuds disconnected from your phone, and then you need to open the charging case, remove your earbuds from the case, and check is this problem fixed. If it doesn't, then we need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to press and hold at the both of your touch areas for at least 10 seconds. Touch area is located at the back side of each earbud. Right here we have BELKIN and here. This one is touch areas, so you press and hold. And you can check also not by a time, by the LED light. What will blink white and blue and then turn off. So we need to press and hold. Firstly, start blinking blue. It's okay. You just enter to blink mode. Just keep holding touch areas. Here we go. Now it's blinking white and blue and turn off. You can release your fingers. And then we need to remove these earbuds from the phone. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget the device and forget device. Now if you have Android, click pair new device at the top, and if you have iOS, you can turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. After factory reset, these earbuds enter to blink mode automatically. So you will see them at the device list, you don't need to enter blink mode manually, just tap on them. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!